Hey, good morning, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video I will update what I did last week. And right now we have the jar file export from the overflow executor, and then we can just import the jar file, and if we have the output of the workflow planner, which is the test.jar file, so it will have the task scheduler, and it has a local scheduler and it has a global scheduler. Then we can just run this workflow. So right now I have created a new project which is new, and then I just copy the test file from my previous project. Then I just import the jar file path. Yeah, this jar file, and then I need to put the TaskLib dir folder under this project, and also we need to have the configuration file of the virtual machine. So let's see the configuration file. So it has the cell parameters, and also we have the virtual machine image ID. So this image ID is already included the task executor. So which means that the task executor is already in this virtual machine. So if you create an instance, so you can see the task executor. Maybe the name is a little different. I didn't change it. And also the user need to update their access key and secret key. So right now I'll tell you how to create a access key and secret key. So the whole picture is first we need to have the Amazon EC2 account, then we have to log in to it. The first step is go to the IAM. So if you cannot find it, so you just search in the Amazon EC2 account, then you can find it. Then second is the create user, and third is create a group. So this part can be changed. So it means that you can create a group first, then you can create a user, and you add the user to this group. Right now I will do a demonstration this process. So this is the Amazon EC2 account I had. Then if you go to all services, and you can have the IAM, so you select the IAM, then you can have the dashboard, so which shows out some informations. Then you can go to group. This is the one group I added, so I can delete to the group. So we can create the first new. Let's give the group name, which is test. So right now we should attach the policy. So we will need Amazon EC2 for access. We'll click next step. Then we can create this group. Okay, right now the group is already added. So the second step is we create a user, and we add a username. We can also name it test. Then, but we need to select the access tab, which is the programmatic access. Next, permission. Also, we need to add this user to this group. Okay. Then we click the create user. Okay, so it's success. So right now we can have the SXKID, and we have secret KID. So please, you can download the CVS file, and so the access key ID and the secret key information is already in the CVS file, and you can get the information, and you just update the access key and the secret key in here, and you are outside. So what you need to do is you need just click the run button here. Okay, so Then, so first we create a group and we create a key in the client part, and we use this key to access the virtual machines and transfer data between the virtual machines. So, um, so right now our code have the function to delete the existing group and existing key information. So it means that if you already have a group named dataview.by, and also you can change the group name and the key name. It doesn't matter. Yeah. So right now we only support one instance type with T2 micro. Yeah, right now it's provisioning machine successfully. Right now the current version does not support the terminated virtual machine because all the log information is installed in the virtual machines. You need to access the virtual machine by using SSH and get the get the get the log file from different virtual machine to the local part. Um, Also, right now the interface for the task scheduler is different. Me and HDI we have two different versions. Yeah, but also the Glue's workflow generator also has own implementation. Maybe we need to combine them together. So we need to so maybe yeah. So it's running. So as you can see here, the T1, T4, T6 running the same time is finished, and also this is T7 is finished. So right now the whole workflow is finished. So right now it's very easy to use, and but you need to follow this format. So let's go to, so first you need to create a task scheduler. So by using this constructor, this one is a task name, and then this is the earliest start time, earliest finish time, last finish time, extra start time, extra finish time, and the instance ID. So then we, because the T1 has no parents task, so it only have the input file. So we can set first task 2, and also T4, T6 is are always set 2, and T7 has no children task, so we can set the last task as 2. So then we need to add the relationship for this task. So we use output class. So the first one is the this task's first output part and connect to the children's input part. Then because so right now the current implementation for the T7 task, which is I set to 7, maybe actually it can be set to none because T7 has no children, so it should be more make sense, but it has there some bug, so I need to fix it. But right now we just set to itself. So also we have the add point. So it means that it has the input class. The input class, the first parameter is the current input part of this T7, and but it connect to the its parts. Its parts is 3. Yeah, that's it. Then we can just based on this task scheduler to have a local scheduler, and the local scheduler is run in different virtual machines. And then we have the global scheduler. Global scheduler is based on the local schedulers. Then we can have a workflow run constructor. Then we just call this workflow execute. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for listening.